Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can unarchive chats on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. Here I have my WhatsApp open. Now if you look below chats, we have an archive option right here. And in here I have all of my archived chats. So first of all, I'm going to archive a chat and then I'll show you how to unarchive it. So let's say I'm going to archive this chat and you can see I've got a pop-up that one chat archived, and then you're gonna move to archive section. Right here, you have to again hold the chat. On the top, we have an option in the middle of delete button and these three vertical dots. You have to tap on that icon. This option is basically used to unarchive chats. So you have to just tap on that icon and you're done. And you can see the chat is now unarchived. That's how you can unarchive chat on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.